Hello friends, welcome to the third video of 3-Minute Excel. In this video, we will be seeing how to apply if function in Excel. So suppose we have some data like 1, 0, 1, 2, 10, and here we need to see if the data is having 1, then we should get some uh, let's say pass command. So the command can be written as equal to if and then bracket. So once you hit bracket, so you can see that after if you need to apply the logical test, then you need to write down logical true value and then logical false value with separated with the comma. So let's say if logical test stands for the cell value is equal to 1. So after comma we can write down then what should be the true value. If it is 1, then we should be able to write down, let's say pass, then comma, and after that fail. So you can see double inverted comma here because we are writing a text inside the if loop. So if we don't want to write down any text and we want to write down only few numbers, then we can write down direct number that we will see in the last part of this video. So see, it is 1, so it will show pass. For 0 it will show fail. For 1 again pass, and other numbers it will show fail. Similarly, we can detect some text also. Suppose we want to write check the if please word is there or not. So we'll write down if. Now we need to apply logical test on some text. So in that I4 cell is equal to double inverted comma if it is please, then we can say yes. So for yes also we need double inverted comma as it is a text, and otherwise no. So there is a please word, so it will write down yes. There is no please word in this side, so it will write down no. So in third cell, see here we have some numbers. Suppose we need to find out if the number is greater than 20 or not. So we can write down equal to if this number is greater than 20, then we can take yes, comma no. So this way also we can use command. This can be useful for pass and fail rules. Also we can replace the numbers like equal to if this number is greater than 20, then 20 means suppose maximum marks are 20 and minimum marks are whatever achieved, so the highest marks will be replaced by 20. So 20, otherwise this own number. So I will write down C11 again. So here you can see I have not given any double inverted comma because we are entering the numbers here. So see, all the numbers above 20 are replaced by 20. Thank you for watching the video.